for currently your mind Koye or Krobia Sante Kotoko and which was Tuesday. Kumasi Asante Kotoko training grounds. Aho I can see a pan in the PMO. Now, how would no move for him for a Manhyia straight the chief of staff and the PM or Kotoko training ground, a brand training El Coso or the Nenico hair Nioma. After that, Omoko Kotoko baby players Nedano. After that, almost a meeting with the players. The outcome of the meeting, they brought on Super 24 TV. No, so and Kobebia, Mese Martinez and the good year Sem Ghana, the Titiri, and I, de Bakuasa Sante Kotoko at heart. In some the bar na ya bro. When you say currently the Black Stars of Ghana, Baba Yara on Azomo Lancaster Hotel, as say no honor we lodge. And no training Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Let's say, game against Madagascar no bibia ni a ebeba so Friday into preparations no egu so right now all is set players ni na arrive ya bibia I fine now and also asem kakra e wo ha me dey bro on Super 24 TV no so FA Cup no the round of 64 baso and the 2:30 after that Krobia Sante Kotoko ebehu the opponent on ne bebo this season Kotoko league na yebo no but the can say the season is so young. The season is so young to predict say team we energy league no. They say in Suatremine but for quarter no more high points or more money in the top 4 no. May sure say obi di sikama or say J never kutwa bet. Say fiskano koto in Suatremine echi anasa bofo akwa echi say obeji liga. O di skano ebe twama bofo akwase bofo ebeji league and ase nsu atrema ebeji league. It is too early and the season is too young. We are going about 36 games. Afeni abomu 10. But before say sawodo esukon temanu wani eye kokko but for this time around it is too early to predict. Enti season no eye season a Kotoko turn around betimi aba. But the honsem kakra ebe bro e wo fie ha. Yes. Ibrahim Sani Dara edin simbia to ya why revelations bia and some all can to me who say no cre and some all can say ketokraku to him no ketokraku wanted Kotoko the GFA omuhu say Kotoko ekosu ye a in an administration a nyoma be koya ma Kotoko no GFA no nyoma be koya ma more extensions. Now this follows after a rift with Nanaya and Ponsa management. That is the Keto Kroku and the similar rift between Ket and Nanaya and Ponsa. And Nanaya free on. Now Ket is doing everything possible to say Oni Kubasi Sante Kotoko ebe align well. And until or then the support Emma coach Kwesiapia Emma coach Kwesiapia eba Ghana Esku no sono. Me pato no ehonsem kakra wa ha ye be true into it na ye the details abro on that. Now before my memfa nsem no emma straight away but we bet ma follow social media handle no so Super 24 TV wo Facebook and Instagram also Super 24 TV _ Kumasi Blogman na wa follow any edi kasubom. Now, unim says na Accra Folk head coach Martino Kopman ya sakeno from Accra Folk as say no Rahim Bashiru ena the interim has for head coaches me saying to replace the other kind and now me catch you say one on the list Maxwell and I say Samuel Boadu, the former Accra Folk coach, Samuel Boadu. Edimutintiban. Sorry. Samuel Boadu Edimutintiban. And CK Akono Ensudia Babonting. CK Akono Ensudia Babonting. And Bashiru Hayford. Ensudia Babonting. And Yao Prekon Ensudi Ekahon. Until we heard this time around that they are looking for a local coach. Unim say na House of Folk no mo pe Ogum. But Ogum Kotoko dey on the buy and now switch it up. And after you join Kotoko. It is the potential candidate to replace Martino Koopman no Samuel Boadu for return to House of Folk, Bashiru Hayford, CK Akono, and Ayaw Prekon, Edin Name and Abba Bonte as the potential House of Folk replacement. House of Folk Asaki Omu coach, Kumasi Asante Kotoko de. There is no sign say Yabesaki coach, and no follows after meeting and chief of staff a Kotoko training ground or catch a place. They say Coach Prosper Ogum is in charge and is going to be in charge. Inti players no the coach ne be catch ro mo say omunye bia no mo hwe na monye na mundi so because coach ne nya dia okoba bia muntie mu coach asem if I'm to quote him. Sana chief of staff Manhyia and the other empanifo omo call ye no in some of the 2 players na nim e training grounds no after that omo ne players ni nyina call omo fu beswa building no because atetesem no nso nsem bi wo anya se e ba keke empanifo de be top form e Kumasi Asante Mantam empanifo te say players na shall see twa bini ade chief of staff with the leadership of Manhyia ne mpanyifo kakra omo joining omo nyina call players no ho ewo omo residents wo ho ekohweye ema no nso omo hanya mu kire omo say ne yetia yenjindi say ye nokre but any kwan say eye nokre nso utufo nyankopon ema yentiase. Now Prosper Ogum for now will remain enya dia Prosper Ogum ebe ko ba bia after say omo call ho no ena chief of staff e ka kire players they say Prosper Ogum enya dia obekọ ba bia onko ba bia even though say we bought 10 matches we win 2 pe we win 2 pe. The win came from Adriana and Accra Lions. And Accra so full coach also. About 10 games. We need 2. But on only the no. About draw. Baku 6. So and we lose 2. But crop ya Sante Kotoko de. You lose 4. And here we need 2. And the mark Kotoko situation, you know, a bit worse than a crowd of folk. But some supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko more call it for Ogum sack no. Asem we tembi aya na mempese mekoho, but asem ba wo se ye ka na ye sinipi. Eye de fan boys of Nanaya Mponsa. Omu na e call it for the sack of Coach Prosper Ogum. Prosper Ogum eba Kotoko nyina no. Sa Nanaya Mponsa fan boys no. Agenda ne say the second coming no should be failure. And we Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni na oye sa I don't see any sense in this. Kotoko no eyokuo eni ye nyina yeso enti adentina oma o personal interest override the club's interest. Why will you want Coach Prosper Ogum to fail? In same ebe bakra de me de mpese magye adi because sankofo no omuni tumi a omode be ye Kotoko omode be waki etia Kotoko report bi ba say na eye sankofo no na waki against Kotoko spiritually. Sankofo no they are having a wishful thought say omunya ya nke begye agu, but I don't think they have any power to ensure say Kotoko be failing. And to Prosper Ogum, sa Kotoko faili this season a rebuilding ye see, but so be failure a one or be more or failure. That's one constant thing about life. You don't blame others, but you take the blame on yourself because you the bibia ma ona oye bibia. Otumfo Nyankopon eme ase. Otumfo Nyankopon nye ne ma the great Asante Kotoko. Ni enhu those glory days of the club in this current crop of players. Kotoko Bobo Aziz and Sam Michael Ember Power mo. Pastimo those days. Kotoko pombo na ubisa se Kotoko she sen. So went me hwebia. But eneno situation no atene. But it is still within reach for Kotoko to have those glory days back with this current crop of players. It is just a matter of time. Otumfo Nyankopon enye ne ye. Information we are say etoko pay the bebro e ofie ha. Super 24 TV. For now, meeting a course on a say Coach Prosper Ogum remains Krobia Asante Kotoko manager and he will remain